Hey friend, it's Demetra. Welcome if you are new here, and if not, welcome back. On my channel, I cover alternate day fasting, healing, and self-development. So if you're interested in that content, then join my family. In today's video, I just wanted to do a quick check-in. This week, we are doing a 7-day alternate day fasting challenge, and the details are in my community tab, but in a nutshell, we are fasting every other day this week, doing a 36-hour fast. Yesterday was day 1. I am still in the fasted state. I did not have breakfast or lunch today. Now, I am sipping on some coffee, but I don't count that as breaking my fast, and I do put a little bit of creamer in there. You know, you have to do whatever you need to do to get through your fast to a degree. So, with that being said, I just wanted to drop in and check in on everybody to see how you're doing. I know I have not did a weigh-in video lately, and I'm still struggling to get on a regular routine for fasting. And what I've noticed really is that it's not so much the fasting days that I struggle with, it's the feasting days. So I'm contemplating on whether or not I should start tracking my food, but I have to do something different. There's a saying, and I'm from the country, so I don't know if you heard this or not, but it's if you always do what you always done, you're going to always get what you always got. And with that being said, you have to do something different if you really want change. And I really want change. I'm just struggling with it. I'm still working on my mental health. I shared some things in my last video about 2 or 3 weeks ago that I was going to share some things with you all as I heal from trauma and my mental health and work through some things that have caused me to go to food for comfort. So I watched a YouTube video today. In that video, women were giving other women advice. Older women were giving advice to younger women in their 30s, and basically to give you some life lessons. One of the things that was said that stuck to me is do the work for your body now for your 60-year-old self. And I thought about that because, hey, I'm not far from it. Like, I'm 47 years old, and I never have built a routine to where I'm active as far as taking care of my body. So in a nutshell, she was saying, take care of your body now. You may not see how beneficial it is to you now, but you'll see it when you're 60, when you're 70. So I could feel that because I'm already aching. My knees are aching. I bought me a standing desk for my office because sitting at a desk, a regular height desk, was wreaking havoc on my knees. So I have a standing desk, and I'll do a tour if you guys are interested in my office area someday. And I also added, so this is the mother-in-law's room that I told you about. That's where I am now. So this is my filming area where I'm at right now. And right beside it is my office area. And then right beside it, I have created a mini home gym. I have a mini treadmill over there. I have a compact elliptical coming this week because I do enjoy doing certain things at the gym. So I just decided to invest and bring those things into my home. They're right here by my office. I can do it on my break time. Like I am building a routine to create the person that I want to be. And I just encourage you all to do the same. Everything that works for me is not going to work for you, and everything that works for you is not going to work for me. That's why you have to know yourself. Self-awareness is so important so that you know what works for you. And I just encourage you to go within, talk to yourself. Think about the things that you like, that you enjoy. Whatever type of exercise or whatever, if you like dancing, turn on some music and dance. I love to dance. And I have some workout videos. There's so much content on YouTube for at-home workouts. You know, I went to the gym and it was the getting there that really was not always easy for me. And not to say you shouldn't challenge yourself, but I know that I'll be more apt to exercise. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm on my break. I need to check my time. I got 10 minutes. I'd be more apt to exercise from home. So, and it's right here. Like, there's no excuse. I'm up here every single day, or at least 5 days a week, on my job. So, my work schedule will be changing. I'm also developing my routine to sync with my new work schedule and things like that. So if you're interested in me sharing my routine to see if you could have it, take away anything for yourself, that I'd be more than happy to share that as well. So guys, I just wanted to check in and see how everybody is doing for their challenge. I have had several people comment saying that they were joining the challenge on my community tab. So talk to me in the comments and let me know who actually started it and how you are doing. Let's check in with each other every day, even on our feast days. And I also understand that not everybody's going to have the same fasting schedule as me. You know, my fasting days are going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm going to feast on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday and do OMAD on Sunday. So I want to be more conscious this week to what I'm doing on feast days, because I don't want to ruin my fast by overindulging on feast days. And today is a feast day and it's Taco Tuesday in my house. So y'all know how I get down with that. I love a Taco Tuesday, okay? So, but I decided so that I can enjoy my tacos, I was going to skip breakfast and lunch. So, if I have anything, it'll just be coffee to kind of keep my appetite at bay. And also I'm staying busy. I'm trying to stay busy, just doing things around the house to not think about food, because that food noise is a beast. So guys, I better wrap it up so that I can get back to work with the job that I love. I love my new job. I love working from home. I love the company that I work for. It is amazing. They care so much about their employees, and I'm just so grateful during this phase of my life. So I want my appearance and my health to line up with where the space that I'm in right now. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, join my journey, join my family, and until next time, bye friend. Mwah.